Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Janella Rose, and in today's video I'm showing you my weekly cleaning routine. So I love to have a very spotless and clean home, but sometimes it just gets so cluttered. You have laundry up to here, you just have random papers everywhere. So this is my weekly routine where I clean everything up and make sure it's nice and neat. I also have a deep cleaning routine that I do monthly, as well as a 10-minute cleaning routine that I try to follow daily. So if you're interested in any of those videos, definitely let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to film that for you guys. If you're new to my channel, I post a ton of different types of videos, from planning to beauty to hair care, as well as some recipes. So if you're interested in any of those topics, definitely subscribe. I would love to have you here, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. So if you want to see my weekly cleaning routine, then definitely keep watching. The first step in my weekly cleaning routine is doing laundry. I like to multitask this part while I clean the rest of the apartment. I separate my clothes into darks, lights, whites, delicates, and workout gear, and then onto jeans. I've been doing it this way for such a long time. I learned it from my mom, and I think it really keeps my clothes nice and neat and longer lasting. Next, I'm moving on to my bed. Quinn and I like to change our sheets weekly, so I'm just changing to our other set of sheets, and I normally wash the duvet every 2 weeks or so. Now I'm tidying up and dusting the nightstands using this one from Pledge. My apartment gets so dusty, I don't understand. Also, does anyone else's boyfriend or husband store power tools on their nightstands? Moving on to the bathroom, this was ridiculously dirty, so I'm picking up our floor mats so I can wash them. I'm using a toilet bowl cleanser. This one is from Clorox, and I'm just putting that on the inside of the bowl. And then while that's sitting, I like to take a Clorox wipe to wipe down the outside in the seat of the toilet. I forgot to show this, but I used a bathroom bleach spray and sprayed the shower down before I filmed, and I let that sit for a bit before I used my sponge to wipe it down. Next, I'm using Windex and a microfiber cloth to clean off the mirrors. I cannot stand toothpaste marks on the mirrors, so I'm really making sure to clean that down. And I'm using a Clorox multi-purpose spray in the coconut scent. It smells so good. And I'm spraying it all over the counters and letting that sit in order to disinfect the counter. And then I'll take my sponge and warm water and wipe down the surface. Once that's done, on to vacuuming and folding laundry before I head into the kitchen. I'm putting away the dry dishes in our drainer before washing and cleaning the counters. Also, I filmed a video, so the studio lights are still up and the living room is such a mess, but I did not clean that today. Moving on to the stove, I'm using the Method Citrus Scent Multi-Purpose Spray to clean my stove and the counters with another sponge. I love the smell of citrus. It just says clean to me, and it makes my whole house smell amazing. So I like to spray it on the counter and then let the product sit for a bit in order to sanitize it, especially the kitchen, because Quinn and I like to cook so much, so this is really important. After it sits, I wipe down the counter with like hot water until all the product is gone, and then use a bar towel to dry it down, and the counters are so shiny and clean after this. We use the dishwasher maybe every 5 to 7 days, so most often we're washing by hand. I like to use extremely hot water, so I throw on these gloves to protect my hand from the heat as well as the soap since it's drying. Then I either place it on a drying mat or dish drainer to dry. I forgot to do the microwave before I clean the stove. I typically work from top to bottom, so I'm just cleaning that now using the Method cleaner and a sponge. Side note, I do have different sponges for the kitchen and the bathroom, just in case you're wondering. I also wipe down the fridge and any other high contact areas with a Clorox wipe to make sure it's nice and clean. I seriously run through Clorox wipes. So this is everything for my weekly cleaning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I would very much appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and give it a like as well. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!